guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like this video. Also hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on, and let's get into it. Today's video, we're taking the front bumper off. You guys are probably wondering why, and no, it's not because we got a new front bumper or a new splitter for the car. It's because we got new headlights for the car. So we're gonna be pulling off the bumper. I don't know if we have to take the entire bumper off to do this, but we got the top off. Well, we're just taking off the two 7mm that hold the fender and the bumper together, and then we're gonna see if we can just pull the bumper out a little bit and just get the headlights out, and we'll keep you guys posted. And we'll also show you the new headlights before we put them on, and we'll show you a side-by-side comparison with the OEM ones and the ones that we're putting on. So we got the bumper off. It's pretty straightforward. There's about like 8mm bolts up here, and then two 7mm on each side of the quarter fenders, and then you just pull it up and pry it this way, and then you have one 10mm here and then one 10mm at the bottom of the headlight, and then you have a 13mm on this side. So you just open those and it'll pop right out. We'll show you guys as we're opening them. All right guys, so like I was saying, here's the first 10mm that we're gonna open, and the second 10mm is down here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. And then the third one is this 13mm over here. So we're gonna start by opening this one. We'll get this headlight out, and then we're gonna repeat the process on that side. So we unbolted it and we got the headlight out. After you unbolt it, you just wiggle it and then it should come out. Just make sure you guys take out the plug for the headlight, and then that's it. And then you also got to disconnect it because there's plastic tabs on it. You can just pull it out. I'm not sure if the new headlight has it or not to connect this back. If not, we'll just zip tie it to the body right here or something. So now we're going to take out the passenger side, and it's the same process as that side. We got both the headlights out. As you guys can see, both of them are out. Just make sure you guys are gentle with it so you don't crack anything. This plastic piece over here flew off the other one, so we have to find it. So make sure you're careful with this one. I don't know if it's important or not. We'll find out later. Now we're just going to wait for the other headlights to come. They should be here in about 20 minutes. So the lights came in. We didn't get to get any footage of that because the guy came, dropped them off real quick. So we got this light in. We just slightly bolted it on. We have to still tie it all down. I'll show you guys how it looks real quick. So that's how it looks. I feel like it looks absolutely sinister. It's like a killer look. We'll try to get the car wrapped up, and we'll try to show you guys how it looks outside. But it is 10 p.m. at night here, and I don't know if I want to start this car with the headers this late, and it hasn't been started for a couple of days, so it's going to be stupid loud. But if we get it wrapped up within like 10-15 minutes, I'll take it out. Basically, you're going to do the same thing. How you opened it, you're going to put it back together. So we got the whole front end wrapped up. I'm going to show you guys how it looks on the floor. I'm happy I went with these lights. They look way better than the OEM ones. The install didn't take that long. You don't have to open the bottom. If you look online or you watch any YouTube videos, American Muscle has one up. They said that you have to open the sked pad and take the whole bumper off and this and that. You don't have to do that. All you got to do is open the top 8mm bolts, and then the two fender bolts I told you, the 7mm on this side and the 7mm on that side. And then you just got to lift the bumper and pull it this way, and it has enough slack for the headlight to come out and for you to open all three of the headlight bolts. So you don't have to take the whole bumper off and get into that headache. But now we're probably going to take the car out real quick and we'll show you guys around. These lights came out absolutely amazing. They look phenomenal. I'm happy I went with them. These are also plug and play, just like the taillights we did recently. So there was no extra wiring or anything needed for that, just how it was for the Euro tails. Well, they're red right now because they're on, but yeah, like I was saying, so you don't need to splice any wires or do anything extra. So these, you unplug them and they plug right into the OEM harness and everything. So there's no additional work required. I feel like this is one step closer to getting the whole front end better, and I already like the front end now with these lights on. It looks much more aggressive. So I feel like I'm probably just gonna do the Cervini chin spoiler or the GT350 bumper. It all depends. But for now, I feel like I'm happy with how this front end is looking as well. Overall, this car is coming out together so nicely. I'm waiting on getting the Pro Charger installed. I have a shop. They're telling me it's gonna take about 4 to 5 more weeks, and you know, you gotta wait for good things in life, so we're waiting. But once the Pro Charger's on, this car is gonna be absolutely nuts. I was thinking about just putting the 18 manifold on and getting a tune, but I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna see how I feel. But for now, this is like, you know, we're doing some cosmetic stuff while we're waiting for the performance stuff. But As you guys can see, the lights look amazing. I forgot to mention what lights there were. They were the Rexion, I believe, from American Muscle. I bought these lights used, actually. I didn't buy them brand new. They were only on the guy's car for about 2 to 3 months. He's actually trading the car in. He's getting the 2021 Gen 3 5.0s. So that's why he's selling this. He was parting his car out and I came across a good deal. Also guys, if you guys aren't aware, we are doing a giveaway right now. If you guys didn't watch the end of the last video, we're doing a giveaway on a Shell gas station card, $75 gift card, or $75 cash reward if you guys are from the USA, because we are from Canada. So if you guys are from the United States, we will set up a PayPal and everything for you guys. All the information is in the Instagram link in the description down below, so make sure you guys head over, check it out, and enter to win. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.